Hello, and welcome to the Daily English Boost. Get ready to learn and grow with fun, easy, and quick lessons.
Hey, Kate, can I ask you something?
Of course, Martin. What's up?
Do you remember your New Year plan from last year?
Oh no, don't remind me.
Why? What happened?
I wrote so many things. I wanted to learn guitar, wake up at 5 a.m., read 50 books.
And?
I did maybe 2 of them for 1 week.
Welcome to the club, Kate. I think everyone does this.
Right? So this year, I want to do something different.
Me too. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kate.
And I am Martin.
Today, we're going to talk about New Year plans, but not just plans, how to actually talk about them in English.
In simple, real English, the way we really speak.
Exactly, Martin.
So if you like this kind of conversation, hit that like button. It really helps us.
And subscribe if you want more real English every day.
All right, Kate, let's start with a simple question. Do you have a New Year plan this year?
I do, Martin, but it's smaller this time.
Smaller? What do you mean?
Last year, I made a huge list. This year, I have 3 things. That's it.
3 things. I like that. What are they?
Okay, number 1, I want to drink more water every day.
Oh, that's good.
Number 2, I want to call my family more often. Just small calls, you know?
Yeah, that's really nice, Kate.
And number 3, I want to walk 30 minutes a day. Not run, just walk.
Kate, these are perfect. They're simple, they're real.
Thanks, Martin. What about you? What's your plan?
Okay, so I have 2 big ones.
Only 2? I love it. Tell me.
First, I want to read before bed. Not my phone, a real book.
Ooh, that's hard, Martin. I always grab my phone.
I know, me too. That's why it's my goal.
What's the second one?
I want to learn 5 new recipes this year.
Wait, you want to cook more?
Yeah, I always eat the same things. Pasta, rice, chicken. Boring.
That's actually a great plan, Martin. Cooking is fun.
I hope so. But Kate, here's the thing. How do we actually talk about these plans in English?
Right, because sometimes people don't know what to say.
Exactly. So let's practice. Imagine someone asks you, do you have any New Year resolutions?
Okay, I can say, yes, I want to drink more water.
Perfect. Or you can say, I'm planning to walk every day.
Perfect. Or you can say, I'm going to call my family more often.
Right. So we have 3 ways. I want to, I'm planning to, or I'm going to.
Exactly, Martin.
All 3 are common. All 3 are correct.
What if someone doesn't have a plan? What can they say?
Good question. You can say, I don't have any resolutions this year.
Or maybe, I'm still thinking about it.
Yes, or even, I'm just going to focus on being happy.
I love that one, Martin. It's honest.
Right? Not everyone needs a big plan.
True. But Martin, let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
Why do so many people fail their New Year plans?
That's a big question, Kate.
I know, but I really want to know.
Okay, I think people make plans that are too big.
Like what?
Like, I'm going to the gym every single day.
Oh, yeah, that's hard, Martin.
Right, or I'm going to save $10,000 this year.
And then life happens.
Exactly, Kate. Life happens. You get busy, you get tired.
So, what's the solution?
I think make smaller goals. Make them easy.
Can you give me an example?
Sure, instead of I'm going to read 50 books, say I'm going to read 10 minutes every night.
Oh, that's much easier, Martin.
Right? Because 10 minutes is possible every night.
I love that, Martin. What about saving money?
Instead of I'm going to save $10,000, say I'm going to save $50 every week.
That sounds much more real.
It is, and after 1 year, that's over $2,500.
Wow, I didn't think of that.
Small steps, Kate, small steps.
You're right, Martin. Okay, so let's practice talking about this.
Good idea. I'll ask you a question and you answer. Ready?
Ready.
Kate, what's your New Year resolution?
My New Year resolution is to walk 30 minutes every day.
Nice. Why did you choose that, Kate?
Because I sit too much. I work at a desk all day, so I need to move more.
That makes sense, Kate. Do you think you can do it?
I think so. It's not too hard, right?
Not at all, Kate.
All right, Martin, what's your New Year resolution?
I'm planning to read before bed every night.
Why is that important to you?
Because I want to relax without my phone. I want better sleep.
That's a good reason. Do you have a book already?
Not yet, but I'm going to buy one this week.
Perfect. See, everyone, this is how you talk about your plans. It's easy.
And it's natural. You don't need fancy words.
Exactly, Martin. Now let's talk about one more thing.
What's that, Kate?
How do you stay motivated? How do you keep going?
Oh, that's tough, Kate. I'm not always motivated.
Me neither. So what do you do?
I remind myself why I started.
Can you explain?
Sure, let's say I want to read every night, but one night I'm so tired I just want to sleep.
Yeah, that happens.
So I ask myself, why did I want to do this?
And what's the answer?
The answer is, I want better sleep.
And that helps?
Sometimes, yeah, it reminds me of my goal.
I like that, Martin. I'm gonna try that.
Another thing I do, I tell someone about my goal.
Oh, like a friend?
Yeah, or family, or even online.
Why does that help?
Because now someone knows, so I feel more responsible.
That's true. It's like you don't want to give up.
Exactly, Kate. You want to show them you did it.
Okay, so here's my question for everyone listening.
Go ahead.
What's your New Year plan? Do you have one?
Yeah, tell us. We really want to know.
Write it in the comments, even if it's small, even if it's just one thing.
And maybe we can motivate each other.
I love that idea, Martin.
Me too. Community is powerful.
So, everyone, please comment below. What's your plan for this year?
We'll read every comment, promise.
All right, Martin, I think we should wrap this up.
Yeah, but before we go,
What?
I just want to say one thing.
Go ahead.
If you made a plan last year and you didn't finish it, that's okay.
Martin's right. Don't feel bad.
Every year is a new chance.
Every day is a new chance.
Exactly, so don't give up on yourself.
Just start small. Start simple.
And talk about it. Practice your English while you plan your life.
I love that, Martin.
Thanks, Kate. Okay, everyone, that's it for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. We make videos like this every day.
And share it with a friend who's learning English.
Yeah, help them learn with real conversations.
All right, Martin. See you next time.
See you next time, Kate.
And everyone, good luck with your New Year plan.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Bye, everyone.